Doc Design students, I've provided a PDF with links that have help on how to configure your copy of Word 2007 in 4 different small areas that make a big difference in how quickly and efficiently you can work. I'm going to step through these really quickly. The Quick Access Toolbar I've shown repeatedly in class as something you ought to master, because it's like putting all your favorite tools within easy reach rather than having to remember which tab to go to and which part of the tab. And sometimes it's hard to see all of the choices available when you have a contextual menu in a table, for instance. So you put these things that you use repeatedly up on the Quick Access Toolbar, which can be located either above the Office button on the very top line, or you can put it, where I prefer it, below the ribbon right above your page. Now, to start doing that, you just go to the Office button, right-click, and you can choose to show it above or below, and then hit the Customize, which takes you into the Word options, to the Customize area, where you have all of the commands available in Word, which you can move from the left column over to the right column, and the right column lists what's on your Quick Access Toolbar. Then you can then move things to left or right using the widgets available. Okay, the help on that consists of a page of screenshots and also a short YouTube tour that shows you in more detail how to do it. Now, the other thing you need to learn is to use the, well, I'm calling the Styles Gallery here. Microsoft officially calls it the Styles Task Pane. The task panes are the things that open up over here on the right. And in Word 2007, you have to go to the Home ribbon, the Styles cluster area, and the little button, which hardly looks like a button, but it's in the lower right-hand corner. It's an on-off switch for the list of styles. You can also put that on your Quick Reference Toolbar like I've done it here. Now, when you first open it, it's not going to show very much because it's probably set to only show a few styles in a blank current document. If you go down to the Options link in the very right, bottom right corner, you pull up the Style Pane options. You say All Styles. You say Alphabetical so you can find them easily. And there you have Microsoft's collection of all the existing styles for Word 2007. You want to start here whenever possible, finding a style that already exists, applying it, and modifying it to suit your taste, rather than constantly creating new styles from scratch. That's because these are usually conventional names for styles that are used repeatedly in common workplace documents, and there's no point in going and naming styles with all kinds of creative names when you're just creating conventional documents. Alright, now once you've got the Styles Task Pane open, on the right, on the left, you'd like to see the styles that you've applied in your document. And to do that, in Draft View, you can open up a little panel on the left that lists the styles of each paragraph in a read-only list. To do that, you have to get back to the Word options, and this time you need to go to the Advanced area here on the left and scroll down to the Display section, where you type in a whole number here. 1 will do it, where it says Style Area Pane. And once you've done that, you're then ready to switch to Draft View, which you can do through the View tab, but you can also go Control-Alt-N for normal, and your styles will show up over here. Control-Alt-P switches you back to the page layout view. Alright, the other thing you want to do is go into Options and turn off the option that says Keep Track of Formatting. That's because in working with styles, you don't want it to be creating styles every time you experiment with direct formatting. So you want to go into your options, which I have on my Quick Reference Toolbar, and this time you want to go to the Advanced section. In the top section here, the editing options, you've got a box next to Keep Track of Formatting. I've got it turned off. You definitely want to take off the check mark there, and that's all you have to do. Alright, that will do it